Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I've got yet another Primark haul. I've been back yet again, grabbed myself a load of bargains. We've got clothes, we've got children's clothes, we've got shoes, toiletries, you name it, we've got it. Well, it's a bit of an exaggeration. So where shall I start? I said I won't buy any more of the cheap nails. I have succumbed. This is a new colour that I'd not seen before, and they were exactly what I was looking for colour-wise. They're just peach, and they're the pointed glossy nails. They're only £1. I bought 2 packets of these, and I've already worn 1 packet. I wish I'd have taken a photo of them. I forgot. But what I did, I wore them like this in this colour for a couple of days, and then I painted over the top sort of a rose gold glitter. And they look really, really nice, and they stayed on well. So I'm wondering if previously it's been my application of these, that's why they've pinged off so quickly. But I'm definitely going to get some more in this colour. I really like them. They're sort of like a nude colour, and I think for me, for work, that's just a perfect colour to wear. I love the reusable bags in Primark. I've got so many of these, but when I see a design that I like, I end up buying more. I'm not necessarily liking the branding on the back, but just a plain spotty one. This is made from using recycled plastic as well, which is good. And it was £1. But yeah, what is it with bags that a lot of them have got awful designs on? It's like, I've said before with pyjamas, they always have silly slogans on or silly pictures. And they do the same for bags. Horrible flowers or dodgy colours. Why can't they just do simple ones like this? Well, now they are. Okay, let's start with a couple of clothing items. I started wearing children's clothes. This year in Primark, all the clothing is oversized, so I'm managing to get in the kids' stuff. So I've bought a few more items from there. I've got this lovely little vest. In fact, this is a smidge big. I should have probably gone down a size. I've got a 13 to 14. And what I love about this, it's got quite a high neck. I've said before, I'm not so keen on anything that's too low neck. This t-shirt's really annoying me because it just doesn't suit me. Look at that. I don't know why. Get that back. But this one's got quite a high top. They did have a couple of others, but I wasn't sorry about that. Local boy racer. Yeah, they did have some other designs, but I wasn't as keen on them, so just got this one. I'm not sure whether I'm going to wear this in bed. I think it'd look really nice just with a pair of, well, whatever bottoms. So this was £2.30, and it's a lovely material. It's slightly ribbed, and it's got quite a bit of give to it, but it also fits nicely as well. Saw this t-shirt in the children's section as well. They didn't have many sizes in this, and it looked quite big, so I've gone for 12 to 13. No rain, no flowers, and I thought this would either be, I'm either going to use this one in bed or wear it with jeans, because I think the blue would go with blue denim nicely. Got a lovely little sort of cuff on the sleeve, and that one was £2.30. Here's the blue t-shirt on. I'm not so sure about this one. I'm not sure if the colour washes me out a little bit, so I think I might keep this one for bed. That's it, just a little bit closer. I don't know, what do you think? Will you let me know in the comments down below? Had a little look in the old PJ section, and these caught my eye. A lovely pair of shorts. These are so soft, really nice. Went for an XS 6 to 8, and these were £4. No pockets, but I thought these would look lovely with a little t-shirt or, you know, a little white vest or something. I wish they'd have had some more, because I think I'd have bought more than one pair, but they're really nice, and I think they'll be really comfortable for bed because they're nice and loose, obviously elasticated. Yeah, and they won't crease. So there's the little shorts on. These are really comfortable. They do stick out a little bit either side, which sort of accentuates the old thigh area. And they are pretty short. I mean, they are short, but considering I'm only 5'3", they only just come a bit below the old bum cheek. Yeah, very comfortable indeed. Ooh. Sunnies next. I've already got a pair of these. I've worn them absolutely loads, so I wanted to get another pair because I do like them so much. They match everything because they're nude. They've got sort of a rose gold bit on the arm. Actually, that's really cute. It's got like little daisies on it, little flowers. But yeah, I've worn those a lot, wore those a lot last year, so I wanted to get a spare pair, and they were £3. And then to put them in, I thought I needed another sunglasses case. I have got quite a few, but when you chuck a pair of shades in a bag, you're always best to have them protected, aren't you? So they've got quite a few different cases. They're only £2.50. Absolutely unbelievable. Let's take that off so we can have a look at it. So it's sort of a animal print. No, what's that? Crocodile. Is it crocodile print? And I'm not sure what colour you call this. It is slightly rose gold-ish. A little bit more, no, bronze, is it bronze? I'm not sure. Anyway, for £2.50, it's absolutely fabulous. And I did try in the shop to make sure the sunglasses fit in it, and they do. These caught my eye. I don't know why I bought them. They're lights, little indoor lights. I do like twinkly lights. They're only £2.50. No, they're not, they're only £2. Where I'm getting the 50 lights, so it's indoor 50 LED lights, and they run off little batteries. I've bought some batteries from Poundland. I got a massive, great big long strip for £1 last year. Fantastic. So yeah, I'm not sure where I'm going to put these. Might put them in the bedroom, might put them in the house somewhere, but I just thought for £2 that was a really good price. Of course, going in Primark, I have to check out the children's items, young children's items for my little nephew Dre. I'll pop a picture of him in right now. He's like a plant, he just keeps growing and growing. So he's in age 2 to 3 clothes now, and now we're going into summer. A few more summer items. Mum says she's got absolutely loads of the ones I've bought. She's had to empty another drawer to put them in, and she said don't get any more. He doesn't need anything else, but I just can't help myself when I see them. So I have got a few more items. So Mum, you're going to have to make a bit more room. So I got this lovely, well, it's not a set, but I'm going to make it into a set. Lovely little t-shirt, stripy, just plain blue. This was £1.30. And then some lovely little shorts to go with it. Now, I did buy the matching, I've already bought him a t-shirt that matches this, so he can wear these with both of these t-shirts now. That was £1.30 as well. But I thought those two would make a rather nice little combo. And with a pair of maybe white trainers or something, they look quite smart. So the next two are actually sets. Love this, look at this, how cute. It's just white with a bit of lemony yellow, bit of nature, elephants, and then in matching shorts. Aren't they cute? Do they have pockets? No. So that little set was £4. And then this next one, this was in this sale. It's not, I wouldn't have bought it normally, to be honest. It's not really, the quality's not the same as the others. And I'm not sure about wearing such dark shorts, but I suppose they won't get dirty. But I thought these would do to muck around in the garden. So these should have been £4, and they're only £2. £2 for a pair of shorts and a t-shirt. Incredible value. And then a couple of bits for me now. I've got some more hoodies. I've got so many hoodies now, it's unbelievable. But every time I see them, they've got all these new colours in. I'm like, oh, I love that colour. So this next one won't be to everybody's taste, but I really like it. And I do think the colour actually suits me quite well. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? So it's an actual hoodie without the zip. Got the pockets there, I like that. How much was that? That was, got it in an XS, £7. But I really like that colour, and I think for summer and for our little camping trip that we're going on, I think that would be perfect. So here's the yellow top on. Absolutely love this. Think it looks really nice with the denim. Again, fits really well and feels very comfortable. So yeah, this is a definite keeper. And then they also had it in this lovely blue colour. It's not quite cornflower blue, but I hope that's coming up well on the screen. The problem is I've got the curtains open, so the lighting keeps changing. But you've probably seen this one if you've been in the shop. But I thought with a pair of darker denim shorts, or even white denim shorts, what am I on about? Jeans. Yeah, maybe white jeans would look nice with that. And a pair of trainers. So here's the blue hoodie on. Really pleased with it. Just got it on with a pair of denim jeans with a little bit of a motif down the side. Yeah, not much more to say about it. Just looks lovely. It's very comfortable. Yeah, really like it. I mentioned a few videos ago I'd bought some of the £1 thongs. And I can say, oh, that's the back of them. Yeah, they're actually quite comfortable. So I've bought some more. So for £1, these are absolutely unbelievable. So I size up in them. So I've gone for a size 10 to 12. It's the small. And I have to say, I know they look a bit skimpy. They are really comfortable because they've not got tight elastic. They're tight enough that they don't fall down, but they've not got that strip of elastic. And they don't give you with the old knicker line because they're so flat and they haven't got any lines in them. So I've gone for 3 pairs in black, and when I got home I realised they've only charged me for 2. So unless there was an offer on 3 for 2, thank you very much Primark. And I like this colour, look at these. So this is like, what colour do they call it? Coral. And I have actually got a bra in this colour already without any knickers that match. So now I've got myself a new set. And then to match those knickers, no, not really. Thought I'd have a quick look in the makeup section. Love this colour. I like this sort of nudie shade. This is the Gel Effect Longwear and One Coat varnish. And that's £1. That's the colour of it. Just a very simple sort of nudie colour. In fact, it's called salmon. And then finally, a few pairs of trousers. Went a bit crazy. These again are from the children's section, but they fit me. These are lovely. Really like these. I wasn't sure which size to get, so I did buy 2 pairs. I've ended up taking 1 pair back. I got 13 to 14 and I think 15 to 16 age. And 15 to 16 were too big. So I've gone for age 13 to 14. And these are like a skinny jean with an adjustable waist. What's that all about? Oh, snazzy. Look at that on the inside. Didn't realise they did that for children. Well, that's helpful to know. But really like these. They are a proper sort of jean with a bit of stretch. Perfect. These were the grand sum of £7. Look at that, proper pair of jeans for £7. So here's the blue jeans on. They fit absolutely perfectly. I can't believe what a fantastic fit they are. I do struggle sometimes with jeans being a bit big around the waist, but I need them a bit big around my thighs. But these are a lovely fit. Very, very comfortable. The only thing is they're not overly long. I'm okay because I'm 5'3" and they fit me lengthwise just about perfectly. So I might actually roll these up a bit with some stuff and just wear them with a pair of trainers just rolled up a little bit. But they're very comfortable. Really, really pleased with these. And that's just them close up. Yeah, look at those. Really chuffed with those. And then in the same area, I saw, they're like the ones that are folded up. I saw these. I do like a khaki colour, and I haven't got any khaki jeans. So I thought I'm going to try some of these. And again, I went for age 13 to 14. Now these are a little bit more cash. They've got the little rip in there, and then cuff. Ooh, I'm not sure about that at the bottom. They've not got cuffs on, they've got the rough edge. So I thought these would look really nice with just a plain white t-shirt. I think they'd look really, yeah, very nice. So really pleased with those. And they were supposed to be £7. And when I got home, I checked the receipt. They were £3. Here's the bargain of the day. Again, these fit me really well. I'm absolutely chuffed. A bit like the others, they're a little bit on the short side, but because they've got the little frayed bit, I think they'll look all right. If I just wear those without socks and just a pair of trainers, they'll be fine. They're sort of a bit of an ankle grazer length. I'll just come in close so you can see. So there's a close-up for you. Again, these fit me really well. I've not got the sag like I have with adults' jeans. So I might be buying children's jeans going forward. And then finally, some more leggings. I've got so many leggings, unbelievable. Did I get these? No, these weren't children's, these were in the adult section. But they're really thick. Thick, but not like the cosy ones that are lined. Are they? No, they're... I wanted more, you know, some of the leggings that can be a little bit see-through. I wanted some thick ones. I'm not sure whether I'm going to wear these to training, actually. Or whether I'm going to wear them just for casual with t-shirts. Don't know. Anyway, they've got quite a high waist and they were £6, so a little bit more expensive as leggings go. But they're really nice quality. My only worry is, will they fade a bit quickly, but we'll see. So yeah, I really like those, absolutely so comfortable. So that's it, yet another haul done. Quite a bit of a variety in there. Just a little bit of a notification. Somebody has alerted me to the fact that, you know, when you tick the bell, so you know, like the alert bell, so you know when I upload videos. A couple of people I know have checked to see that they're still ticked to my channel, and it's not. YouTube's unticked them. So if that's something that you're interested in, or that's something that you normally do, so you're alerted to my videos, you might want to just check your settings to make sure it's ticked. Right, that's it, I'm off. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, maybe you might hit that button now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.